Hi there, so the trade period just finished and I thought it'd be a good time to open a box for Future Force from last season. So there's Future Force boxes are still available if you'd like to get one. This is out of a fresh case. And there's 7 cards per pack, 18 packs per box, and we'll see what we get today. Okay, pack 1. All Australian. Looking for a signature in a box. Pack of commons. So only 18 packs. There's Future Force SIGs obviously. In each box, all Australians, team captains, and a graphic redemption. Got a pack of commons. Another All Australian with Brandon Parfitt. And Al Pepper, who will be in this year's draft. Not too much there. And obviously it'd be nice to get the parallel signature rather than the 1 out of 200. And here's our signature, Reese Matheson. The red, numbered 175 of 200. Thankfully that was a pack of common. After the one with the signature, Darcy Parish from Essendon, that's the All Australian card. Team captain is Jacob Wiedering for the Big Country side, ended up being the #1 pick in the draft. Currently at Carlton. Nothing of any consequence there. And again. And how did your team go over the trade period in the last 2 weeks? Were you happy with it? Were you sad with it? A couple of obviously interesting changes and where that sits with card. Joshua Sage, All Australian. Certainly one of those times to reflect a little bit, maybe on your team's past stars or what lies ahead in the future. There's probably no other team could look at that more so than, say, probably Hawthorn. Another guy who will be in the upcoming draft. Only a couple more packs to go out of this 18 pack box. The All Australian, Riley Bottom. And the last pack would be lovely if this is a redemption card of some sort. and All-Australian of Harley Ballock. Thanks very much for watching that quick little 2015 AFL Select Future Force break.